So today I'll be showing you how to see all your YouTube comments history. These are basically all the YouTube comments you've ever made on YouTube. So launch the YouTube app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the settings cog icon in the top right, and from the menu that appears, select manage all history. On the page that opens up, you'll see your YouTube history. So you want to select interactions. So tap on that, and then under interactions, tap on comments and replies. Now this is where you'll see all your comments and all your replies to other people's comments that you've ever made on YouTube. And you can tell which one is a comment and which one is a reply because it's gonna say. So for instance, this one says replied to a comment on that video, and then this one says commented on that video. And you can click on any video at any time, and you can see the date and the time when that comment or reply was made. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.